think it's a great move by our Honorable Prime Minister to announce the scrappage policy for the country. I think this move has been waited for long, and finally it's been started and been announced. I know it's going to take a long way for us as a country. It may take a couple of years to set up the testing facilities and scrappage yards, but it's a great move in the right direction. We created a hybrid model, the US model and Japanese model. Japanese model is where they make it mandatory, and where in the US model it's giving a lot of incentives. So our government has made a very attractive policy which is making it mandatory as well as giving a lot of incentive. So if our policies stick to the right incentives, they've been used properly, and we have a right scrappage yard facilities of testing, and definitely is going to help the nation in a whole way, because a lot of assets which are getting not used properly because of unorganized market which is completely operating in this. With the policy, one is it's become mandatory. We have a lot of pollution control on the roads. The vehicles will be shifted at the right age at the right time, which we made a 15 years, 20 years. Both the policies are in place now, and also a lot of reuse of the raw material which is getting imported and which is getting wasted, not going in the right hand. It will start. So it's going to help the nation on the national assets. Also it will help overall the environment of the country, and it will also help a lot of manufacturers to have a faster sale, and a lot of people who are not been able to sell at the right price the old vehicles, it have a much bigger market to sell. So I think it's a very, very welcome note. We should adopt it. We should go forward with this, and whole industry should help to make it much bigger, the policy for scrappage, and everybody, every manufacturer, every user should be part of this. So we welcome the new policy announced by Honorable Prime Minister on the scrappage. Thank you very much.